Hi guys, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of February 24th through March 1st. So this week I'm going to use this Cabin Life kit from CaliCatCo. I feel like it's a good, very wintry kit. I like that it's red, so it's like Valentine's Day-ish. But it's not, I don't know, I feel like it has February cozy vibes. Anyway, these are the full boxes. Washi page, boxes. This page is upside down for some reason, but it has all your headers and labels. I also did my pen test here. And then you have some date covers and other functional stuff. And then I have some add-ons of glitter headers. And then I think this is probably deco and freebie. I don't know. I got this in a grab bag deal. And I just realized that with how dark these are, I probably need date dots. So I'm going to grab those and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. So the only date dots I could find right now that would go with this kit are black ones from this American Craft set, and I don't think that's actually going to help. So this week I'm going to use these Mincho black fine liner pen set. I'm planning to use the skinniest one for my writing. My pen test had all my regular pen smearing, but this one does a pretty good job. It smeared a little, but if I let it dry, it should be fine. So I'm just going to use one of the wider widths and hope for the best. Okay, so back to my plan. I don't think I'm going to use the glitter headers this time because I feel like these are all nice colors I can use for whatever. And since it has the word headers, usually I use those if it has it in the kit, because I feel like the colors just are more difficult to match that way somehow. Alright, I'm setting these to the side as well. So I'm going to put down the bottom washi, I'm going to put down the headers, and I'm going to put down the date covers, and then I will be right back. For now. If it turns out to really bother me, I'll color it in like I did last week. Let's see. I feel like I'm going to use this box as my sidebar. I don't really know why. It just feels right. So that's what I'm going to do. All right. So I feel like these two go together. These two go together. These two go together. So that puts this one in the middle. I am going to try this a little bit differently than I usually do. It's so hard since I don't know if my headers are straight to make sure everything fills in properly. Okay, so these are all slightly too long, but I don't know, whatever, it's gonna be fine. I feel like after that, maybe I'll put like, I don't feel like I want to put like plaid. I'm gonna go with these two. All right. So my goal is to like line up like the long edge. So that's what I was trying to do. But I feel like Thursday is hard because it's like right on the crease. I don't know. Maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. Then, let's see. Maybe I'll do these guys next. I think I'm gonna put this one on, I guess this one's gonna go on Saturday. I feel like I don't want this like tan background with the tan background that I use as like my quote box. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anybody else like think about these things for a really long time and then at the end you're like, it actually didn't matter. That's how I feel a lot. All right, I'm putting the boots on Monday mainly because I feel like flowers for March 1st seems nice. We can pretend it's spring. As Kaylin would say, thank you for your service. All right, I'm gonna put this one in. So this paper is really nice, but it does not peel back up, so you have to be really careful. All right, there we go. For the sidebar, I need this one and this one. I don't know, I might need some like washi deco. I'm gonna keep these to the side. Okay, so to start out with, I have a habit tracker. I feel like already I need to divide this up a little bit more. So I'm gonna take this really skinny piece and I'm gonna stick it down like so. I'm leaving some white space this time. I don't know why. And I'm gonna put this week. That doesn't seem straight. As I said, don't push these down until you know that it's good. All right, and then I'm gonna stick in the habit tracker. This habit tracker is gonna be the same thing, for the same thing as every other habit tracker recently, which is for my job search. Okay, then I'm gonna stick in another skinny piece of washi. With a little gap again. And then I'm gonna put in dinners. I've been enjoying tracking my dinners. I don't really know why. It's not really a necessity for me, but I just enjoy seeing what I've been eating. So put that in. And then underneath that, I think I still have space for another piece of washi. This one's a little bit fatter, but I don't think it really matters. Stick that in, and then I'm gonna put down here, maybe I'll put like this guy. And then this feels more functional, so I'm gonna keep that to the side. Now I'll put down the sled to kind of like fill this in a little bit. Sure, that seems cute. All right, great. Sidebar done. All right, so for the week, as has been happening a lot recently, or at least I just need to remember it exists. As has been happening a lot recently, it's like very boring. I have nothing going on. All right, so for Monday, I feel like I want like maybe like a half box. Sure. I'm gonna use a half box. I'm trying to decide if I want like a solid one or a patterned one. This choice should not be this difficult. I'm gonna use a patterned one. I'm gonna stick this in, and this is going to be for film edit upload of my plan with me. So I'm just gonna use the icon from here. These are my like Beauty 360 tweezers. I think I'm gonna put it like this. All right, so that's film edit upload of my plan with me. Ooh, should I stick an icon over here? I should. I'm gonna stick this little like money guy because obviously I don't have paydays right now. This one is not like cut out totally, or it's cut too deep. I think it's cut too deep. Or maybe I just suck at peeling these things off. That's also a possibility. Stick that in the sidebar for my job search. All right. That's all I have scheduled for Monday right now. Obviously job search stuff like that's gonna happen, and I have these like little three heart checklists that I'll probably try to incorporate under the this and that, but I don't know how many of them I'm gonna need, so just not gonna fill it in. Tuesday, I have curling. I feel like I need green. Sure, we'll use like a solid green right here. I'm just gonna stick it down here at the bottom. So this one is, these are my Prairie Planner curling stickers. I'm just gonna use the half that just says match because blue curling rocks don't really go with this. I believe this one's the early game, and then Wednesday, I have nothing scheduled right now. Sorry, this one's a late game. Thursday, maybe this guy. Stick this one in. So this one is going to be an early game. Again, the same like Prairie Planner sticker. I just cut these pages in half so that they fit in my storage system. All right, there's that. Friday, I have this meeting I have to go to. They say it may take up to 2 hours. So I feel like I need something at least moderately significant. Maybe I'll use like a label. Because I feel like these, when I stick something on them, you might not be able to see. I'm going to use the pen, so. I might be okay with one of these. Alright, I'm going to use one of these flag guys. I think I'll use this one with the bows. It seems really cute. Stick it up here at the top. So I have to go to like this meeting thing about employment. Not really looking forward to it, to be honest. Okay, that pen's really big, but I think that'll be fine. That's all I have scheduled that day. Saturday and Sunday, I have no idea right now, to be honest. All right, so as I said, it was gonna be a really boring pre-planning. So here's my really boring pre-planning. Sorry, just trying to like move things around so I don't lose anything. I like this kit. I like how it's looking so far. I'm gonna use this Superior Needle Drawing Pen to fill everything out. Gonna try to not smear anything, and then I will be right back. All right, there we go. Nothing smeared so far, so I'm doing great. If you stick around for just a second, you can see how the week ended. All right, here is the finished weekly. I love how it turned out. It's very, I don't know, it has cozy vibes, which I think was perfect for this week because the weather was kind of crappy. Pretty much I only use stuff from the kit. The only exception is these 2 match stickers, which come from Prairie Planner. Literally everything else is from the kit. So I got really good use out of the kit, and I still actually have a ton left over. I have some boxes and a fancy label, some washi strips, a few icons, one little 3-heart checklist, a couple dividers, some flags, some more like labels, sidebar stickers, some deco, and the full set of glitter headers. So a ton of stuff left over, which I can use in the future, which is really nice. But yeah, that's pretty much this week. I don't really have a lot to say about it. I was a little nervous about this paper because it is glossy, but my pens turned out totally fine. These Mincho fine liners turned out great. So that is everything. As always, please like and subscribe below if you aren't already. I really appreciate it. Check out my Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see finished spreads, in progress spreads. I tag all my shops, etc. And until next time, bye.